Hey guys, this is filming from last night. I'm a little tired. I'm hoping my words come out clear. I'm gonna just come back from Factory Friday. What a wicked night! I have to be honest with you. I've never drunk so much in my life. Right now, I am tipsy. But yeah, I hope you guys are well, and I will see you tomorrow for another vlog. I hope you like the little clips of Factory Friday. We went out from 2 o'clock till about 9 o'clock tonight, and it's been a lot of fun. I've seen my granddad. I had a drink with my granddad, which I haven't seen this year very much. Bless him. But he always gives me a hug and always buys me a pint. And I bought him a couple of soda clubs, as it's called. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I'm off to bed now because I'm knackered. But I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 20. Take care.